Monovalve fires and climate control push button control units. How do they happen? Here's one of the reasons why, especially in a 124, 123, 126, or 107 car, you need to replace the coil that surrounds the monovalve. This is the coil that is 1 billion meters of copper wire that goes over the valve. On a 124 series car, it's actually hidden and you can't see it. It's like a little dome by the battery with the 2-pole plug on it. But this is the wiring harness fire result of a 124. And what do you see here? Well, the monovalve had a short in it, and it got so freaking hot that it cooked the climate control unit as well, which signals monovalve on, monovalve off, and caused a fire inside the push button control unit. Now, this is the sort of thing that happens when there's a direct short inside the monovalve. It heats up so fast and so rapidly that before the fuse can blow, it detonates the push button control unit, causing a fire. A really nice 123 wagon that I used to own, thanks to the negligence of a stupid mechanic who didn't realize that the monovalve coil was bad, also burned to the ground because of this. I don't know if any of you are watching and you have a gold 85 300 TD that you purchased with an interior fire. That used to be my car. Anyway, this was on an 89 300E. And I can't say any names or anything like that because it's A, not something we would know, and B, I don't want to compromise the legal situation, but it was basically the lack of knowledge and unfamiliarity of the mechanic who was working on the car who thought, oh, there must be a problem with the AC compressor if hot air keeps coming out of the dash all the time. And that was not the case. Nope, the monovalve itself was basically a ticking time bomb, heated up the wires going from the monovalve to the push button control unit, and then the next thing you have, kablooey, this somewhat flammable push button control unit catches on fire. So this is why you should change the coil that surrounds the monovalve. This is why you should change the whole monovalve assembly if you have a 124 series car or 129 series car. The coil can be purchased at Brinson Company for about $95 to $100, somewhere in there. You should buy it. It's an OEM Bosch coil that Brinson has subcontracted the supply of. And Brinson is BRINSON, and they're in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And then, as far as the other monovalves, they're available new from Mercedes. They're not even $200 just to buy it. So if you have any questions about yours, I put one in every Mercedes that I know has been sitting for a long time because I don't want that to happen. Anyway, for more questions about this horrible phenomenon, just drop us a line on the channel. Leave the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all of our Patreon supporters. Please ring the bell for notifications and leave us a thumbs up, okay? And keep a fire extinguisher in your car.